Hi all, and welcome you to our channel Food for Baby as usual. So today we are going to prepare 3 vegetable rice purees for babies of 6 months and above. So let's see how to make the first one. We need string beans and rice. Here I have taken suandal. First I cut string beans into small pieces. You can see. So now I wash rice. Now I add small pieces of string beans. Now I'm going to cook this rice. I add 2 cups of water. Now cook it very well. Now you can see the rice is cooked. So it looks like this. Now here I have taken a banana and I cut it into small pieces and add to our cooked rice. And here I am using a hand blender to mash our rice, since we can't feed our baby with pieces. So grind it until it becomes creamy. Okay, now it's ready. This is very tasty. Now let's see how to prepare the second one. Here I've taken carrot. I washed it and cut it into small pieces again. And as in the previous video, I'm going to wash rice. Now add pieces of carrot into our rice, washed rice, and again cook it very well by adding 2 cups of water. The special thing here is the rice should be chopped. Put it into a bowl like this. And here I'm adding breast milk. If you don't feed your baby with breast milk, you can add formula also. So after adding breast milk, I grind it again, or you can mash this until it becomes a cream like this. So now let's see how to prepare the third dish. Again, I'm going to wash rice and dal together. So select the fish which suits for your baby and add it with our previously washed rice and dal, and again cook it as in our previous videos. So now I'm going to mash this as usual. So these dishes can be served to babies of 6 months and above. So try this at home. And so thank you for watching our video. Hope to see you soon.